As you collect site-specific field data, the amount of spatial maps within your system will grow quite large. The Layers menu helps keep your layers organized and manageable. For example, on this field, we have georeferenced data going back to 2003. If we tried to display all of the maps within the left pane, we would easily get lost. Plus, every time we open this field, we would have to wait for all of the data to load. Within the Layers menu, we find the option for Visible Layer Settings. Within the Visible Layer Settings window, all of the data is organized and displayed by category and season. By clicking on the plus icon, we can see all of the yield data for this field. When a data type or category is checked, then it will appear within the Maps Layer pane. If it is not checked, then it will not appear within the Maps Layers pane. For example, let's say that I only wanted to look at yield data and I wanted to hide all of the other layers. Uncheck everything except yield data, then click Load, and only the yield data will appear within the Map Layers pane. As you collect more and more data, the number of layers displayed within the Maps section can make it tedious to find the specific data layer with which you desire to work. Developing the habit of using the visibility settings will help make large amounts of data easier to navigate. Summit will remember your settings and only display this data the next time you return to the field. So if you are scrolling through the map layers and cannot find a layer of data that you know is in the system, check within Visible Layer Settings to make sure the layer is checked. You can also display map layers by season. For example, if we click By Crop Season and set the range from 2009 to 2012, now only the data that falls within that range for our checked selections will be displayed. Click Load and the Map Layers pane will update to show the new selection. To quickly uncheck all visible layers, click Layers, uncheck all layers. This keeps you from having to scroll down the Map Layers pane and uncheck layers one at a time. Simply click Uncheck all layers and everything except the field boundary will be unchecked. Another way to keep data organized within the Layers pane is to create folders. Within the Layers menu, select Add New Folder and assign the folder a name. For example, we may want to organize our data by years, so I would create a folder for 2012 and click Save. I can now drag map layers corresponding to 2012 into the folder and click the folder on or off when I want to access and display those layers.